Morning guys, October 4th, 2021. This one here, I got a call from a lady I work for. I think she's like 90, 96 or 98. So her son-in-law called me and he said that there's a problem with the, I think I replaced the furnace over there a while back. 4 or 5 years ago type of thing. And there's a problem with the condensate. The condensate line's leaking. Condensate furnace. So something about the condensate lines leaking, or it fell off, it popped off, or something like that. So I said, how the hell did that happen? He said, maybe somebody hit it. I don't know. We'll have to go by and see. Maybe the pump's bad. Could be unplugged. There could be anything. But anyway, I'm gonna go over there now. I've done work for her before a couple of times. She's an older lady, hard of hearing. You gotta kind of scream into the phone for her to hear you. But hey, she's still living by herself, 90-something years old. God bless her. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Steve is working again, Mama. Somebody must have hit it. I'll have to get another pump for it. I don't think I have a bad fitting for that. I might. I'm not sure. Problem is, that's a check valve. I should have a check valve in it, I think. We'll just sell a new pump, that's all. No, we'll have to give her a new pump, sell her a new pump. What can I tell you? Somebody must have hit that, broke it off. We'll have to be able just to fix that, but I don't think I have anything in the truck that could fix that. Besides, there's a check valve on that thing too, so there's a check valve in there. And if I put an adapter on it, it would drain back, I think. I'm pretty sure there's a check valve right there. There's supposed to be a ball in there, but it broke. The ball must have blew out. We'll have to get him a new one, that's all. Sell her a new one. Oh, oh man, she's a leaker. She's a leaker, Mama. She's a leaker. I don't know, maybe you can just buy that, but I'm not sure. We'll sell a new one. Usually comes in a little thing you gotta pull out for it to work, but I don't think that's the case with this one. Must have hit it with something. That's what happened. This one's got wires if you wanna. I'm not going to use that. There's a little check ball in there. You gotta. Oh, it's 220. That's no good. That's 230 volt. Wow. gonna have to go run out and get one then. I thought I had one, but I guess obviously not. Not that. Alright guys. I got a little adapter that should fit right in there. The only thing is it doesn't have a check valve on it. That's the only drawback. But that should work. Some tape on there. The condensate pump I had in the truck was a 220. I don't know how I got that. Must have picked up the wrong one at the supply house. I got some more in the garage. Hopefully they're not all 220s. So, I don't know. Kind of odd. I would want to. Should work. We're gonna put it in there and try it. Fill it with water and run it. There's a leaker. There's a leaker, Mama. Must have hit it with something. We'll put some water in it. We'll see how it runs. Plug it in. Get some water. There it goes. Just pumped. I want to see how much it drains back when it stops. Doesn't have a check valve on it, you know. Yeah, nothing really. Doesn't drain much back. Once the check valve's down more. Yeah, I see it's draining a little bit back. Yeah, it should work. While I'm here, when's the last time I did the flame sensor? Last year, I cleaned the flame sensor. It should be fine. Should check the filters while I'm here though, for it's wide open. It broke off. This one had like an O-ring on it, which was odd. Doesn't seem to be leaking. Let's see what the filter looks like in this thing. Okay, it's new. It's fine. It's fine. Houston, we have ignition. new connector on condensate lift pump. It should be fine. I just got it at the Ace Hardware.